This is the Boss Camlock Advanced Guardrail System. These purpose-built frames can be used when erecting any Boss tower system that you need to access out-of-reach work faces, either for construction or maintenance purposes. The AGR system ensures that guardrails are already in place before the operator mounts the working platform, and therefore is never exposed to the risk of falling from an unguarded platform. Safety and ease of build start at the base. One man can build up to the first level without assistance and without leaving the ground. Using horizontal and diagonal braces for leveling and rigidity respectively. Lightweight and easy to handle, the Camlock Advanced Guardrail locks into place and tensions the tower structure by pulling down on the top horizontal. This locking mechanism is easily visible from a distance and makes visual inspection from the ground simple and certain. Double decking at every level ensures maximum safety and ease of build, as well as dismantling with no overreaching. The structurally rigid Boss Camlock system provides the user with a large, unrestricted double deck at every level and provides collective fall protection for all users. The base of the Camlock AGR tower is designed so that you can reposition two of the base braces in a matter of seconds, giving unrestricted access to the internal ladder. Dismantling is also simple, fast and safe with the easy-to-release Camlock system. Youngmen believe the Boss Camlock Advanced Guardrail system provides the safest, simplest and fastest method for erecting and dismantling your access tower. And finally, a couple of safety reminders. If possible, always avoid working at height, manual handling and exposure to vibration and dust. Make sure you select the right equipment and consumables for your chosen job by considering the task, the material you're working on and the situation you're in. Ensure that users of the equipment are confident and competent and the tools themselves are in good working order. Pay extra attention to plugs, leads, casings, bits and blades. Make sure that the equipment is within its safety check dates and assess all of the possible risks, including exposure to hand-arm vibration, dust, falling from height, manual handling and noise. And of course, always use the correct PPE and follow any site-specific instructions. If you're ever in doubt, consult your supervisor.